Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to test clothes in Roblox before buying them so you can see how they look on your avatar. So now let's get started. Step 1. Open Roblox and go to the marketplace by tapping the 3 dots. More button, then select marketplace. This is where all shirts, pants and accessories are available for preview. Step 2. Browse the marketplace to find a shirt, pants or accessory you want to try on. Searching carefully helps you find the exact item you want to test. Step 3. Tap the item in the search results to open its details page. This page shows all the information about the item, including price, creator and description. Step 4. On the item's details page, tap the try on button to see it on your avatar in real time. This allows you to preview how the item looks before making any purchases. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful Roblox guides.